Welcome to today's video tutorial on creating a chatbot using a language model-based AI. In this video, we will go through a step-by-step process of building a chatbot powered by language model technologies. Let's dive in. The first step in creating a chatbot is defining its objective. Determining the purpose of your chatbot, whether it's to provide customer support or answer frequently asked questions or engage users in a conversation, is the first important step. Clearly, defining the chatbot's objective will help you design the right conversational flow. Next, gather and prepare the data for training your language model. Collect conversational data relevant to your chatbot's objective. This could include existing chat logs, customer interactions, or publicly available datasets. Ensure that the data is diverse, representative, and reflects the expected user interaction. Now it's time to choose a suitable language model. LLM models or large language models like GPT-3 are widely used for development of chatbots. Select a pre-trained LLM model that aligns with your project requirement. You can leverage APIs or libraries provided by AI platforms to access and utilize these models. With your language model selected, it's time to train your chatbot. Use the collected data to fine-tune the language model to better understand and generate human-like responses. This training phase is crucial for enhancing the chatbot's conversational abilities and ensuring it provides relevant and coherent responses. Once your chatbot is trained, it's time to integrate it into your desired platform or application. Utilize APIs or SDKs provided by the language model provider to enable smooth integration. This step allows you to deploy your chatbot and make it accessible to users. Before launching your chatbot, thorough testing is extremely essential. Interact with the chatbot, simulate various user scenarios, and evaluate its performance. Identify areas of improvement, refine the conversational flow, and address any limitations or biases that may arise. Congratulations! You have successfully created a chatbot using a language model-based AI. Remember to continuously monitor and update your chatbot as user interactions and requirements evolve. Stay innovative and leverage the power of language models to enhance user experiences. Thanks for watching.